This is a short walk around of our 1997 Dodge Viper GTS. As you can see, the car is, I'm going to try to show you, the car is in immaculate condition. The wheels on all four corners show no scratches, no curb rash. The original paint has no swirl marks. It's completely clean, free of scratches anywhere on the car. I'm going to open this door, the passenger door. The interior is immaculate. No wear on the bolster seats, both passenger and driver. These are some additional extra things that come with the car. Front license plate, maintenance records and that sort of thing. Again, the wheels and tires are in great condition. The front of the car, it's immaculate. There is no curb rash on the wheels, and there's no road rash on the nose of the car, anywhere on the car. Even under the front lip, the car is clean. No scratches, which is rare in these cars. They usually are scuffed up because of parking conditions. The paint is in really nice shape on the car. It's glossy. It's beautiful. Again, another shot of the wheels. They're really clean. The view of the interior from the driver's side. It's all very clean. This area shows no wear at all. No scuff marks. Usually these areas right here get all scuffed up when drivers are not careful getting in and out of the car. They scratch it with their shoes. Your rear bumper is perfect. Totally perfect. There's nothing to show. No scratches at all. So now I'm going to do a cold start of the car. I'm going to set the camera and do a quick cold start of it. Bear with me. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it.